This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called WannaDie. WannaDie is a ransomware that is able to damage the files essentially by encrypting them. In advance, I want to tell you that I cannot help you restore your files. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. So, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then it is indeed impossible to use the data. The ransomware appends a random force symbol extension to the file names. It also reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable security software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Now, to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, then click on Start Scan button. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove the ransomware, to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these damaged files. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, your data would always be protected. And you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Premium license. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover the data.